What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Hopefully we get some good stuff. I am stoked. There's a cart right here for me, so that's sweet. We'll help out the workers by just bringing it in and using it. And yeah, there we go. Let's see what we find. All right, yellow is 50% off today. So we want to try to find yellow things. Ran into someone here. I got here a minute too late because look at this stuff. What's inside that Pokemon game right there?
Nothing too great, but take a look inside of here. Look at that.
Wow. Oh, and Fantasy Life.
I know. It's not
How
bad
much
at
is
all.
it? $3?
$3.
What a steal. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Maybe, no, that's cassette tapes. All right, I'm not gonna find anything over here. Oh, darn. All right, check out the VHS tapes. Maybe there's something good over here. Maybe. Let's hope we'll find something. What's that? That's nothing. There we go, Space Jam on VHS. That's kind of cool. I might get these just for a little 90s corner I'm building at the house. All right, so that Grand Theft Auto 5 that guy was gonna take, he ended up just giving it to me because he was just gonna trade it into GameStop. The disc inside's really clean. They want $5. You can see it's selling for 16. Yeah, I'll make like $4. Not bad. I guess I will double look over some of this stuff. I didn't check any of the DVDs or anything like that yet, so I'll see if I see anything. I like to look up complete series. So, well, that's volume 1. Here's just full season 8, so I'll look that up. And anything that's sealed, of course, those aren't going to be anything. You never know. You never know. So I'm going to sit here and scan for a little bit and hope that I find some winners. Let's do it. Take a look at this right here. The OC Complete Series on DVD. Boom. Kind of a high rank. Not a lot of reviews, but there might be another listing for it that I'm going to have to try and look up. See if I can find it. Alright, I found the correct listing. You could see the rank right there, much better, lots of reviews. Still going for $95, $73 after fees, and you could see it's $8. I'm gonna have to double check and make sure all of the discs are in here. I'll do that in a little bit, but for now, I'm gonna keep looking around in here. I found a couple DVDs that are worth it. We got the one game and a few VHS tapes for myself. I'm still gonna look into them. I might get them, I might not, but let's keep checking. Here we go, just found a chicken foot game for $2. And take a look at this. We got 74,000 office products, lots of reviews, $22. Hey, not bad, easy money. All right, I'm on the fence about this. You can see $20. I opened it up and an Xbox One Connect is in here, the newer version, which is kind of cool, but I did look it up and you could see right here, it's selling pretty good, and it's selling for $49. I'd make $34, so I spent $20 to make $14. I don't know if it works. I doubt it wouldn't. I doubt it would not work. Double negative. I'm not 100% sure here, so I'm gonna keep it in the cart for now and think about it a little more. Maybe if I bundle it with a game or something, I'm not sure. So that'll sit in the cart for now. And you guys can see how much stuff is in here right now. This place is absolutely packed today. I'm checking this printer out because it's $10 and it appears to be selling very frequently for 200 plus. I'm gonna see if there's any way I could check the page count. And it's really dirty though. I don't think I'm gonna end up getting it because of how dirty it is. There's like cobwebs and spider webs all over this thing. Oh, there's one piece of paper though. It might be an easy clean. Oh, it's doing something, so I'm not 100% sure. Device is busy, try again later. I don't know. I hate messing with printers because they're such a pain to test. Check this thing out. I've actually seen something like this before on YouTube. It's a Brookstone Perfect Drink Bartender, $6. I scanned it in and it's discontinued by manufacturer, and look at that. $100 used. It's selling for almost $200 new. Now the picture is showing multiple items, but this is the only thing in the box, and it's the only thing that would fit in this box. So you're gonna have to look a little deeper into it. Yeah, maybe check eBay or something, but I'm gonna throw that in the cart for $6. I think that's a good score. Plus, I'm gonna take it out and make sure the battery compartment's not corroded or anything. That happens quite a bit on old electronics. So I just checked this entire box. It is supposed to come with a shaker, but the shaker's missing. So I figured I could always get a shaker and put it in here, but then I want to double check eBay prices. And as you guys can see, sold prices are around $30 to $50, 20 right there. So I think the Amazon price is just inflated a lot. I don't think it'll actually sell for $100. So I don't think I'm gonna spend $6. Still have to buy the shaker, and then you know, it'll probably end up costing me like $15. Maybe I could double my money on it, but it's just not really worth the effort for me. Somebody else might be interested in doing that, but I just don't want to do it, so I'm gonna put it back. Here we go. This is kind of cool. We got a little Tom Brady jersey, a large. This must be a girl's large or a little kid's large or something like that. $8. It's not a bad price, honestly, but you know, he's not even on the Patriots anymore, so I'm just gonna leave it. All right. It turned out to be pretty decent inside of the Goodwill. Not too bad today. Some great finds, honestly. This OC collection, $8. I'm gonna profit around 70 bucks on it, so that is a nice score there. This Royal Pains I paid $1 for, I'll make about 10. Grand Theft Auto 5, I paid 5, I'll make about 5, maybe a little bit more, not bad though. This Fairy Tale Theater is only volume 1 of a 2-volume set, so I can't sell it on Amazon, and I checked eBay and it seems like just volume 1 is selling for about 25-30 bucks. I paid 2. This Chicken Foot game, paid 2, should profit about 20. And then this Connect, I did pay 20 for it. I'm only gonna make about 14, which is not that bad. So I'll make my 20 back plus 14 on top of it. With Christmas coming up, I may be able to squeeze a little bit more out of it. I'm not sure. Maybe if I bundle it with a Connect game, I might be able to. I am not 100% positive there. So we'll see what happens there. Super happy about these finds. I got this the other day. $40. You can see the original price. I talked them down to 30, so not too much of a discount, but I'll take it, right? 30 bucks for this awesome Miami Dolphins garbage pail, and that is gonna go in my bar downstairs. And then over here, you can see I found a N64 controller and a guitar, $5 and $4. This was at a different thrift store a few days ago, so not bad there. The N64 controllers are selling for like 25, 30. This guitar, it's missing the battery cover, so I gotta find one, but it is Xbox brand. I can get about $80 for these. So for $4, that is a solid score. So time to head home and bring all this stuff inside. Yeah, I didn't fill my cart inside the Goodwill, but I did get some good high dollar items, especially that OC set. That's kind of what is saving me right now, kind of helping me out. About a $70 profit. Super stoked about that. I checked it. All the discs were in there. I did end up putting back a few things that you guys saw in my cart. That bartender thing, no big deal. All the VHS tapes, realized I don't really need them right now. I haven't even built the area that I'm envisioning, so no point in buying a bunch of stuff if it's just going to sit around. I don't want to hoard stuff. I actually have to get a lot of stuff out of the house because Q4 is coming up. My sales have been great on Amazon. My sales have been mediocre on eBay. Let me know down below in the comments if you sell on Amazon, how have your sales been? And if you sell on eBay, how have your sales been? For me, eBay not so great, Amazon really good. I'd like to know. So I think we're gonna head to the gas station, then we're gonna head home. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya. All right, guys, we are now at Cumbies getting some gas. This van only takes diesel. It's dripping a little bit, but should be okay. And look at that, $3.59 a gallon. Ugh, this thing's on E, so I think I'm just gonna fill it up and see what happens. But while we wait, maybe I'm gonna run inside and test my luck on a scratch off. I don't recommend gambling, but I'm gonna go do it anyways because this is gonna take a while to fill up. There we go, scratch off bought. Hopefully it's a winner. All right, I don't have any coins to scratch, so we're gonna use my Big Y card membership to scratch this off and see if we have a winner. What do I have to do? Probably just match to the winning number, okay. And this is why I don't play scratch offs. Winning number 12, I got 15, 14, 13, 7, 8. It is garbage, waste of $1. Never doing that again. And there we go, gas is done. I paid $84.71, holy moly. Let's give it a little extra love and that should be good. $84.82.